Hello everyone and welcome to Altspot crypto channel, and today we're going to do basically the part 2. If any of you seen the collaboration that I did recently with the Bitcoin Biker and wanted to know where the rest of that Zoom call was, this is the place. If you haven't seen it already, go over to his channel and watch part 1 about the mistakes that we made when we first got into cryptocurrency. I will leave a link to his channel in the description below. And any beginners that are coming into the space and finding our channels, we hope that it benefits you in some way. And even if we can help just one person, it's a job well done. So without further ado, let's get started.
But so yeah, Martin there yesterday gave me a tip, and he sent me a message saying, because Martin is the altcoin man. Hey, I'm not an altcoin man. I'm more of a Bitcoin man. But Martin is the man about altcoins. And Martin gave me this great tip, and he said, "Listen,
send you a video,
go and buy 100 quid's worth of MYRO. Ticker is MYRO. Yeah, is that right?
Yep. Yep.
Right. I went and bought 100 quid's worth of MYRO. Now that 100 quid, now that I bought it at 3p, it's now almost 8p. I've almost 3 times my money. Okay, I've now got almost 300 quid rather than 100 quid, but that's what I call a bloody good profit. How did you get onto that, Martin?
No, it was, I've got a video on my, it's the first main sort of video that I've done on my channel. Looking at specific altcoins, but like I say, it's looking at what good fundamental a coin are. Looking at narratives. Narratives are a very big thing in the altcoin space. What's coming up? So if you're looking on social media and the other influencers, you start to notice that there's a lot of hype around certain things. Now, MYRO is a co-founder of Solana's pet dog.
I heard that.
And it's absolutely ridiculous when you think about it. Like I say on the video, I don't normally invest in those kind of coins, meme coins.
Yeah.
But there is a lot to be said when they're not listed on major exchanges and they've got plenty of room to grow. I saw that with this coin. I did the video. I asked you to look at it. You were the first person to see it.
I think I was the first person to like it, actually.
Yeah, I've had a good response on my Twitter. I've had a lot of inboxes saying how well people have done since watching the video. So yeah, it's only onwards and upwards from here. There's got plenty of room to grow. Listen,
you know what? I don't know about, but one of the things that I guess I've got wrong in the time that I've been into crypto, which is 2017, almost 18, is that I kind of stupidly got attached to a particular coin. Well, I'm not into this, to be honest, to get attached to a coin. I'm into it to make money. I don't really give a toot what the coin's name is. It's make me some money. That's all. I don't care if it's Bitcoin or MYRO or yeah, I don't know. Whatever.
What you've got to think about here is, if I want to double my money in any way, if I go to Tesla, it's going to take me, if I invest in Tesla stock, it's going to take quite a while for you to double your money that you put in right now. If you buy 1 Bitcoin right now, for you to double your money, it needs to go, the market cap needs to go way high.
Absolutely.
It's so massive.
Need,
this is the beauty of altcoins. You can find these small gems. I mean, there are a lot of scams out there, granted, but you can find these small micro cap sort of gems that are on smaller exchanges, but not listed on the, what I like to call the big 3, the tier 1 exchanges. That then becomes an opportunity if the coin has good fundamentals, if the coin has good tokenomics, if there's good pre-coin allocation percentages. You know, if you, and this is one of the things that I said to you when I was listing what would I do differently, is learning the fundamentals of coins, learning about how to understand how it works, the teams that create these coins, the coin allocations to developers, to the pre-allocations, to the pre-buyers, scheduled dilutions, all those sort of things. If I would have learned all of that back at the start, I would be doing
more
this
money.
video with you right now from my penthouse in Dubai.
And I would have flown you there in my private jet.
Yeah, that leather smells good.
Yeah, I'm convinced I can still smell the leather on the seats in my private jet. I just probably couldn't afford the petrol to go to the airport at the moment, but hey, that's the way it is. You know,
utility is a big thing, obviously.
Yeah.
Utility is what people buy into. You buy into Bitcoin. You buy into Bitcoin because it is secure. It's a proof of work, and it's something that becomes trusted. Now, a lot of these coins, like MYRO, they're very new. They're not really. Have they got a real purpose? Have they got a real world utility? Is there any? Not really, but it's hype.
I don't care whether they got a utility or not. The only thing that they have to do for me is make me money.
I get half everything plus a 3-piece in bed.
And then when they start, when I think that I've got enough out of it, I could sell the MYRO now and have 300 quid, whereas yesterday I had 100 quid. Okay, I lost £4 on gas fees. Well, I made that back 15 times over. So I'm the same as you.
Well, see, the drama with it is, and this goes with any volatile coins like this that are brand new and that are speculative. And I do want to stress that these coins are risky. They are high risk.
Yeah.
But the thing that you've got to think about is, if that coin goes down to nothing tomorrow, what have you lost?
I lost 100 quid, and to be quite honest with you, you can go out and spend 100 quid on a dinner for two and a bottle of wine. There's 100 quid gone. So it's not.
Like I said, I think the problem with people is not buying it or finding it initially. Well, finding it can be a problem, but it's not necessarily buying it in the first place. It's choosing when to sell. And this was a big problem with me early on.
Trust me, I've lost a lot of money not doing exactly that. All this crap in the UK about crypto tax and banks. Watch my other videos if you haven't seen them. And yes, it is all crap. It is rubbish here in the UK at the moment if you're a crypto holder. And it is annoying that with the government are treating us the way they are, but nevertheless, there's still no reason why you can't take profits. Just
before this, I was editing for my next video, which is on a coin which is 70% of my current holding portfolio. Obviously, I'm not going to disclose what that coin is here. If you want to know what that is, then you can
send me a text, Martin, later, okay?
Yeah, and it's secret handshakes and all that sort of stuff.
Yeah, old boys club and all that.
The point I'm making is, it's not 100% of my portfolio. In my opinion, don't just ever throw everything into one thing. If you'd have got into Shiba Inu early, all these meme coins, you'd have just put I think it was something silly, like if someone put £400 or $400 into Shiba Inu when it first started coming out, before it gained mass popularity, there was kids who were 18, 19 buying Lamborghinis.
I know, it's crazy, hey?
Exponential growth of it. So don't ever listen to people saying these things are bad. Exactly like you said before, money is money, and if you don't get out at the right time, then obviously that's your choice.
Here in the UK, the government is not making it easy for us. And, you can wrap all sorts of conspiracy theories around that. I've got my own conspiracy theories around that. But the bottom line is the facts are the facts. Frankly, there's bugger all we can do about it. We've just got to work with it where we can. But, Martin, your tip, I'm going to have stay where you are. I know you can't see my screen sharing, but I'm going to go and have a look quickly on TradingView. So on TradingView, your tip for MYRO was 3 cents, and it's now almost 8 cents. So I'm almost 3 times on my money. So hey, sometimes you just gotta dip your toe in the water, like the water you can see behind me. Just dip your toe in, and if you lose a bit, well, if you're doing a toe dip, don't put any more money in than you can go, oh well.
Like I say, if you watch that video on my channel now, it's the only one I've done because I've only just started doing content creation. That will explain basically why I've chose that. I don't just randomly pick it and go, oh, there you go. Look at that. There is reasoning behind it.
It's a big thank you from me. It's been, as always,
pleasure. Thank you very much.
It's been great. It's been great to chat.